Brought up in Tamil Nadu. I'm in Karnataka from last 6 years. Okay, I'm just 2 years only Kannada kalkonde. Okay, so please learn Kannada, Guru. If you want to settle in Karnataka, if you want to live in Karnataka, you should learn Kannada. You should.
Goswami,
use my day. Karnataka.
Arun sir and Pragna
Punit Rajkumar.
for the momentum.
10th pass out. Okay. When I was doing security guard job, I was a security guard in Coca-Cola company, Biddi. That time I started my YouTube channel. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 100% ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
For Lekhi Goswami.
See, from a security guard to Asia's most subscribed biking channel, Guru.